What's up, guys? Today we're checking out this dash cam. This is a 3-channel dash cam by the brand AZDOME. So 3-channel, the M550. So pretty much what you can do with this, you can record the front of your car, the rear of your car, and your passengers, your cabin, pretty much all at once with this camera. So what we're gonna do today, we're actually gonna unbox it. We're actually gonna see what's inside, then we're gonna try and set it up in my car so you guys can see how it works. So let's get started. All right, guys, so here's the front of the box, guys. AZDOME dash cam. Enjoy your smart driving. This is the M550. Here's a picture of the camera, and not much going on in the box, so let's see what's inside. So here's everything we get inside the box, guys. We get the camera itself. Here's what the camera looks like. Here's a close-up. As you can see, we have a display right here. We have the cabin camera that we can adjust right here. We can adjust this little back camera. On the front, we do have the front-facing camera right here. It looks like it has a built-in GPS as well. And then it has a sticky pad right here so you can stick it to your car's front display. We do have this pad right here so you guys can stick it. And we have some replacement sticky. We also have this power connection right here. Goes into your lighter. And then we have the backup camera as well. Here's the backup camera. And then we have this adapter, and we also do get the user manual. So everything comes inside the box, ready to go. Another thing that they also sent was their hardware kit. So this is perfect. So if you don't want to use your cigarette lighter, you want to clean up your cables, you can literally plug this in for your camera and run it through your car. And then it comes with all these adapters that you can plug in directly to your fuse box, and you don't have to plug in directly to the cigarette lighter. It does come with a user manual as well for the hardware kit. But as you can see, it comes with a lot of cables that you can use directly with your fuse box. And they connect directly to this piece right here, and you'll be able to have power directly to your camera. All right, guys, so we have our camera installed. We have our cables. We just got to fix them. We have our rear camera cable right here. We have our power supply right there that we have on our cigarette lighter. And if you get a close-up of the display, we can see our front, we can see our cabin, and we can see our rear. We can adjust the cabin right here. So right now it's recording. It came with the SD card. Now we're going to go for a drive, and we're going to see what we pick up. So let's test it out. So here we were going through a small drive around the neighborhood. The sun was coming down. The colors look really good. One thing about this camera, as I mentioned, it can record the back, the rear, the front, and the cabin. And as you can see, it looks very stable, and the colors are amazing. The installation, as you saw, was really easy to do. You can see the cars coming. And right now I'm going to show you the inside of the cabin. So you guys can see where I was, and I can adjust the cabin camera as well for better angles. And here's me inside, just, I think I was talking or singing. It does pick up the sound also on the inside. I just kind of muted it since I was just driving, but it looks really good on the inside. I just need to adjust the camera a little bit more so that it doesn't, get my rear view mirror. But overall, very nice camera. We really hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.